If you want an easy and hassle-free way to charge your iPhone, then today we might just have the perfect solution thanks to MAGLYNX, a truly wire-free wireless charger. So MAGLYNX aims to take the hassle out of charging with no cables, no clutter, and you simply just plug it in, snap on your phone, and that's it. When you're done charging, you just pull off your phone and you're good to go about your day. So here we have the charger, and you can see it's small and compact, which makes it very easy to carry around or move. We've also got the foldable charging prongs, which means that you can just fold up, slip it in your pocket and take it with you. And it's also really light, coming in at just 70 grams. Now it's built with UL and RoHS certified components with a drop-proof aerospace grade shell, and it really does feel nice, strong and sturdy. Now it's got a heat-resistant layout, and it uses Apple-certified MagSafe modules for guaranteed safe, fast and efficient charging. So if we go ahead and plug it in, of course for you guys this is going to plug directly into the wall, but I'm in the UK so we've got different sockets and I've had to use this adapter. But thanks to strong N52 neodymium magnets, you can see it just holds the phone in place perfectly. Now the strong magnets also mean if you get a phone call or notification, the vibrations aren't going to knock the phone off the charger and it's still held in place perfectly, which of course is a must. Now this is very useful if, say, you're using a plug by your computer or office setup, or if you're plugging it in by your bed while you sleep. There's no wires cluttering your space and you can just wake up, grab your phone and go. Now I don't have any AirPods on hand, but for those of you that also use AirPods, you can charge them at the same time on the same MagSafe pad, and this is the standard MAGLYNX that I've got here, but there is also a MAGLYNX Pro, and this adds Apple Watch magnetic charging as well as an additional USB-C port on the bottom for charging your iPads, your MacBooks or anything else. The MAGLYNX also charges your iPhone at maximum speed, which is the full 15-watt wireless charging that the iPhone supports, and it's been designed well for heat dissipation, which means that not only does it not get too hot, but your phone and your charger are protected. Now for those opting for the Pro model, the USB-C output is also capable of 40-watt fast charging. In terms of its design, you can see it's very clean and minimalistic, and of course this is intentional. It's made to declutter your space and blend in rather than be some kind of big bold statement, and I think that works really well. There's a logo on the front that's nice and subtle, and especially when put up against a white wall, it just blends in perfectly. The magnet strength is also spot on, as if you pull the phone, it's going to come away from the charger while the charger remains attached to the wall. And if you want them both, then just grab both and they'll easily come out together. You then just retract the prongs and you're on your way. Now for those of you that want to enjoy clutter-free charging, of course I've placed the link down in the description below, and it's currently a Kickstarter campaign with the launch being today, which thankfully means that there are still some early bird spots available for some major discount, although these spots are limited, so act fast if you want to take advantage of them. Now they've got 200 early bird spots for the MAGLYNX at $49, there's 100 spots for a double pack at $79, and if you want 4 of them it's $119. For the MAGLYNX Pro with the watch charging and 40-watt USB-C port, it's the same packs and number of slots available, but it's $99 for the single, $149 for the double, and then $199 for the 4-pack. They've also advised me that the multi-pack deals are going to be a one-off, so this is the only chance you'll get to get them, and they also come with a free carry case that's worth $10. Now hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but of course if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then simply ask them down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.